Tired of shampoos that strip your hair and leave it dry? Imagine a shampoo that not only cleanses gently but also nourishes and repairs your hair with every wash. That's exactly what you get with this specially formulated shampoo infused with acacia honey, wheat protein, and vitamin E. It's designed to transform dry, damaged hair into soft, shiny, and manageable locks without weighing it down or causing dryness. I've tried countless products over the years, but this shampoo stands out for its balance of care and effectiveness. The moment you lather it through your roots to ends, you notice how it detangles and tames frizz, even in humid conditions. The subtle oatmeal and honey scent adds a comforting touch that makes each wash feel like a mini spa experience. What's more, it leaves hair feeling smooth and looking glossy, without any harsh chemicals stripping away natural oils. It's ideal if your hair needs a gentle yet thorough cleanse that also repairs and protects. What makes this shampoo truly worth considering is its blend of natural ingredients. Acacia honey deeply nourishes while wheat protein strengthens strands, and vitamin E offers antioxidant benefits that help restore hair health. Plus, it's free from drying agents that can leave hair brittle. If you're dealing with dry, damaged hair and want a product that delivers real results, this shampoo is a solid choice. Worth a look if you want to bring softness and shine back to your hair without compromise. Try it when you're ready to see the difference.